Hello everyone, Corey Shaw, General Manager, Windish RV here again. Today I'm going to go over some of the most common terms that we use in our industry to really help people who are first-time buyers. Okay, so commonly used term, travel trailer. That's going to be one of the trailers that hooks up to the back of your tow vehicle off the ball. They're typically a little bit smaller, a little bit lighter, to be able to get yourself and your family out camping. Fifth wheel. Fifth wheel is a trailer that actually hooks up in a truck bed directly over the axles. A positive about a fifth wheel is that it gives you a little bit more control over the trailer as you're going up and down the road, but these do tend to be a little bit heavier than what your travel trailers are. Toy hauler. A toy hauler is something that you can bring your motorcycles, ATVs, UTVs with you. Now these can be both fifth wheels or travel trailers, but there will be a garage in the back of them for you. Motorhomes. So a motorhome is an RV that actually has the motor in it that you drive down the road. Vehicle tow rating. This is an important one. When you talk to any of our salespeople, it's typically one of the very first questions that they try to help you with to figure out what your actual tow vehicle can pull weight-wise. So it can range anywhere from pulling 2,000 pounds all the way up to pulling 20 to 21,000 pounds. Dry weight. The dry weight of the trailer is basically what the trailer weighs as it's just sitting there without any fluids in it or anything like that. It's also referred to as the UVW or the unloaded vehicle weight. Gross vehicle weight rating, or GVWR. That is what the trailer can handle weight-wise, the axles on it. So you can be anywhere from 4,000 pound GVWR all the way up to 20,000 pounds on some of the toy haulers that have 3 axles. Freshwater tank. So basically what this is water that you would use to clean dishes or drink while you're out camping. There are many different sizes on the different trailers that are out here. City water connection. So a city water connection is actually the port on the outside of the trailer that you hook up to when you're at a campground that typically has full hookups. So what's going to happen with this is it hooks directly into the trailer and it goes straight to your sinks in your shower. Gray tank. Gray tank, it actually holds the soapy dishwater and the shower water. So you want to make sure that you know what your capacities are there as well. Black tank. The black tank is the tank that actually holds the waste from the trailer. So again, you want to make sure that you know what size of tank you have in it so you can judge how long you have out there camping before you have to actually dump it. Delivery date. For Windish RV, we schedule a delivery date for when you come in and actually do the walkthrough and do your final paperwork. This is after you have said yes to the deal and we've gone through that process. So we always like hearing the word yes and setting up these delivery dates. So we hope to talk to you all real soon. Visit windishrv.com. Talk to any one of our salespeople and we look forward to talking to you real soon.